Good morning, students. In today NTSE subject, we will again repeat the topic seating arrangement, and it is my third module. And in this third module, I am going to repeat the two types of seating arrangements. Number one is row or column, and second is circular. These two are extremely important because in most of the exams I have found that maximum questions comes on the basis of these two arrangements. Now it is a repetition and try to ascertain the basics behind it with you have to follow. Now the first example is regarding row and column arrangement. Example is that there are 5 persons. They fair, intelligent, weak, tall and fat are sitting in a row. They are sitting in a single line like this. These are 5. 1, 2. In between I have taken third, then fourth, and there is one more, fifth. So I have divided the line into 5 parts. Fair, intelligent, weak, tall and fat are sitting in a row. On the extreme ends are intelligent and fair, means on the extreme ends means on this side and this side. These are the two sides, and here 2 persons are sitting. One is intelligent, I mark it with INT, intelligent, and another is fair. They are sitting on the extreme sides. Then a fat person is sitting to the right of a weak person. Now we do not know about fat and weak person from this condition because only extremes are given, so I will keep it suspense for some time. Then a tall person is to the left of the fair person. Here I get a clue that wherever a fair person is, tall person will always be left to him. So I write here tall like this. Then second part of the third line is the weak person is sitting between the intelligent and the fat person. Here I got the clue that weak person is sitting between intelligent. Intelligent is on the extreme side and fat is between there, because between fat and intelligent I have weak person. So in this way we will complete the diagram of row or column arrangement. Because extreme conditions are satisfied, intelligent and fair person is there, they are at the end. Then he says that tall person is to the left of fair. So I have used these two things very carefully. Then the question where the weak and fat person will be. Fat person can't be taken easily because it doesn't give the exact location. But weak has give us a very quick result that between fat and intelligent person I will have weak person. So this fixes me that fat and intelligent have a weak person. So in this way I have arranged these 5 persons. Now I will come to the question that counting from the right side, the tall person position will be, if I start from right, that is from this side, the tall person will be where? Options are first, second, third and fourth. If we see carefully, the answer will be second from right, because first is captured by fair and second will be tall, so I tick it, and my answer will be circled also in this way, and others 4 will be first, I will not consider, weak, rejected, then fat I will not consider. Only thing is I have to consider tall, and he is second from right. So second is a correct answer from here. Now let us discuss the second question. See here, person to the left of weak person will be. The options are intelligent, tall, fair, and fat. Now if we see the diagram carefully, topmost is intelligent and in the down end is fair. These two are in extreme. Then tall, fat, weak, I have marked them as on the basis of what is given in our question. Now see carefully. Person to the left of weak. Weak is here. So since he is from this direction, we are counting from right to left as marked in the question. So left hand side of weak will be intelligent person, which is on the extreme side on the left hand side. So I mark here intelligent person as the correct option, or you may circle it also and others are wrong. Then we come to third part of this question. Which of the following person is sitting at the center? Means two persons are on his left hand side and two persons are on his right hand side. If we go through it very carefully by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons total. So third will be the middle one and our third person is fat one. So our option will be B is a correct one. Others will be wrong. Intelligent, fair, weak will be rejected. So in this way I have make my arrangements in row or column way and then solve these questions. So this is a basic thing which we have to keep in mind while first arranging the persons in column or in row, as I have explained to you in module 2 also and in module 3 here also, and then we will solve the questions. If we do not follow the instructions carefully, then we will not get the correct answer. By drawing a correct diagram means coming near to the correct answer. We have to keep this thing in mind. Next is example number 2. It is of circular arrangement. What is this thing? Means the persons are sitting in circular way. Why it is so? Because they are facing to each other, or they may not be facing to each other, but they are watching the center of the circular table, one thing, or their faces are towards the center of the circle. When they are watching the center of the circle, means their faces are on that side. If their backs are towards the center of the circle, it means they are watching opposite to each other. So we have to keep this thing in mind. Now in circular arrangement, let us look at this question which I have taken as example number 2 here. Example number 2 is 6 persons are sitting in a circle. So total number of persons are 6 and they are facing the center of the circle. So second condition is that there are 6 persons and they are looking towards the center of the circle like this. Whatever persons may be, it may be 4, it may be 6, it may be 8, it may be 9, it may be 12 also. There is no difference of solving these questions when the number of persons are less or number of persons are more. Only thing is, whatever we have given in the question, we have to follow it completely. Now their names are Parik, Babita, Narendra, Asha and Pankaj Chitra. 6 persons are there. One is Parik, then Babita, Narendra, then Asha, Chitra and Pankaj. These are the 6 names of persons. Now let us read the first line. Parekh is between Babita and Narendra. What does it mean? Position of Parekh is fixed. Wherever Babita and Narendra sit, Parekh will be in between them. So if I take here Parekh, then Babita and Narendra are his immediate neighbors. Clear? Asha is between Chitra and Pankaj. Here, whatever is given, it is okay. There is no problem because fixed Asha here between Chitra and Pankaj. But what is the position of Chitra and Pankaj? We don't know. So we will keep in suspense this line. Chitra is to the immediate left of Babita. Here, what is given? Chitra, that is immediate left of Babita, means Babita is here. So Chitra will be left of him. Clear? This is his left side and Chitra will be here. Now he says that who is the immediate right of Babita? Chitra is the immediate left of Babita. Who is the immediate right of Babita? Clear? Babita के राइट हैंड साइड में ही देखा जाएगा तो पारिक है और चित्रा के राइट हैंड साइड में देखा जाए तो बबीता है और बबीता के लेफ्ट में चित्रा है. क्लियर हो गया? नाउ क्वेश्चन इज वेयर इज आशा देन? आशा इज बिटवीन चित्रा एंड पंकज. सो पंकज विल बी here. Clear? Because they have fixes it Asha between Pankaj and Chitra. So in this way, these 6 persons are sitting: Parik, Babita, Narendra, Chitra, Asha and Pankaj. By reading these lines very carefully, from here to here, very carefully, then we will come to the exact location of the sitting of these persons. First we have to fix a person. That is the important thing. When we have fixed that person, then we shall be able to come to the nearing point where the others will sit. Sometime information which given to us may not be immediately fit, but when we fixes the third or fourth information, then we use the second one. So in this way, this question will be solved. Now question is, who is the immediate right of Babita? Babita is sitting here. Now question is, who is right of Babita? It is right of Babita, that is Parik, and from here we will check the options Parik, Pankaj, Narendra and Chitra. We immediately come to the conclusion that Parik is the correct one. That is option A, Parik is correct. So in this way, we shall be able to other parts of this question also whenever they are given in the question. So in this third module, I have explained to you the concept of row and column arrangement and circular arrangement also. In the fourth module, I will consider the other sitting arrangements. So wait for the fourth module. If you like these 3 modules very much, then like my channel as well as like the video also. Thank you very much.